Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make shirt glow in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make a shirt glow in CapCut, you can follow these steps to create a glowing or light up effect. Firstly, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Choose the video featuring the shirt you want to make glow from your gallery and tap on Add. Tap on Overlay, then tap Add Overlay and choose the same video and just resize it to match the original video. Now highlight the added video, then choose Remove Background and choose Auto Removal and just wait for the process to complete. Then tap the check mark. Tap the Custom Removal, then choose Erase. Carefully erase the parts not related to the shirt, such as the hands and head. Once done, tap the check mark and highlight the video and then highlight it again. Tap Effects, go to Video Effects and choose the Light Effect section. For example, you can choose the Glow Burst effect. You can preview the video by tapping the play button if you're satisfied with the glowing effect. Then tap the check mark to save the changes. You can export the video by tapping on the export button. By following these steps, you can create a glowing shirt effect that adds a fun and dynamic touch to your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.